Hello, everyone, and welcome to Rock Studios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined by three guests in the studio today. First, I'd like to introduce Par Olsen. He is the Technical Manager at Fanuc Nordic AB. Par, welcome.
Thank you.
He's joined by Roberta Tanzariello. She's a Platform Lead, Robotics and Digital Tools at Rockwell.
Thank you, Stanley.
And my friend Mark Harries. He's our Account Manager for Utilities, Transport, and Logistics at Rockwell.
Thanks for having us, Stan.
Guys, thank you for joining us. Really excited to talk about this topic. It's about realizing the customer need for an integrated solution. So, first question, Roberta, maybe you would tackle this for us, please. What do we mean by an integrated solution, and why are they so important in a modern manufacturing environment?
Yes, thank you, Stanley, for addressing this question to me. So with integrated robotics, we are providing to our user a user experience in which the robot is actually a device that is sitting in our network. And in that case, with Fanuc, we are providing the best integration on the Ethernet EP solution, interfacing our own PLC with their own robot controller. But on top of that, we are providing the digital thread, portion of this complete solution with Emulate 3D that is providing a direct plug-in with their own robot vendor, with their own robot controller. In Emulate 3D is quite easy to replicate and have the same user experience that user may have using directly their own robot controller. So I think that this is not a product, but is a complete platform, and we are leveraging on their own expertise from our partner to have a complete and integrated solution, also involving ICT in our portfolio.
That's a great foundation for our discussion. All right, so next question, Mark, if I may. What are the benefits of the benefits that integrated solutions can offer in terms of productivity, safety, and security?
So that's a great question. So if I start with productivity first, I think that sort of starts with the digital thread that Roberta mentioned. So we've got RoboGuide as a simulation software for Fanuc, which plugs seamlessly into Emulate 3D. So we can prove simulations, prove throughput, what's the most efficient layout of a machine or robot system. And we can model that and kind of do all of the upfront work and reduce commissioning effort by around 30%. So it's a huge benefit to customers in terms of kind of de-risking products and being productive before you actually outlay the cash. In terms of safety, because Ethernet IP, it supports SIP security, so it means that the connected environment between a Fanuc robot controller and our PLC and peripheral devices, such as safety scanners, light curtains, etc., can all sit on Ethernet, so you reduce cabling effort, reduce kind of time and effort wiring up, and you get a lot of diagnostic information back, so you can visualize that and make some good decisions. So fantastic solution, sitting on Ethernet IP, and you can attach lots of devices to it.
All right, that's great. Par, a question for you on this. How does Rockwell and Fanuc support customers to implement these integrated solutions?
Thank you for the question. From Fanuc's side, I would say we have our RoboGuide, our offline tool for simulations, so that makes the customer to really can make a complete cell before it's really in real, to simulate that it works as it should be. And together with Rockwell solutions for this offline also, that they can use our tool for that, it helps the customer to find out that the solution is really correct. So it's really important or good for the customer to do it before in.
Makes sense. Mark, anything you might want to add onto that answer?
Yeah, I think Fanuc and Rockwell have got a lot of kind of a bit high level here, but they've got a lot of kind of ethical kind of similarity in the way they go to market. So very much driven around customer support and sort of the real service-based delivery that Fanuc offers. So I think there's a great combination there to support customers, with a robotic journey that can initially seem a bit scary and a jump into the unknown. But as Par said, de-risking that with simulation up front and then wraparound support really kind of leaves customers with a nice feeling.
And this, Stanley, is very important, especially for the type of application that we are targeting, because with this joint architecture and solution, the target is really close to automotive application, in which we are taking, for example, in consideration contouring, painting, welding, so advanced robotics application where we need force control or advanced safety that right now cannot be achieved through the unified. So for us, it's really a good, let's say, expertise to handle in our own portfolio to provide to the user a complete experience, but also all the complete support that both we can jointly provide.
Guys, this is great. I think you've really helped provide some great detail, but in a really, really clear way around the value of this opportunity. So thank you all for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you, Stanley.
Thank you, Stanley,
Thank
for
you.
hosting us.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Rockwell Automation and FANUC offerings, make sure you visit our website at rockwellautomation.com.